Using pinpointed radiation to take direct aim on cancerous tumors is proving to be an effective way to treat several types of cancer. The CyberKnife doesn't use a real blade to cut out cancer, but as Doug Johnson explains, it can keep you well beyond a diagnosis.
It's the fifth and final radiation treatment for this prostate cancer patient at the Baptist Center for Cancer Care. He lies down on the robo-couch in the CyberKnife suite in preparation. The device shoots finely tuned beams of radiation directly into his cancerous tumor.
Before this start treatment, patient going to have a CAT scan here, right here, simulation room. Also, we send over the MRI, and we're gonna fusion together, CAT scan, MRI, and then I'm gonna drawing tumor volume.
The MRI shows soft tissue, while the CAT scan shows the surrounding bone structure. Dr. Lee and the CyberKnife team program details on the patient's prostate into a computer. That program, along with real-time X-rays, help guide the beams. Because the radiation is targeted so precisely, it doesn't expose as much healthy tissue to radiation. A robotic arm can be moved around the patient automatically, much in the same way mechanical arms are used to manufacture cars on an assembly line. The system, in use at Baptist for 2 years, can target almost any part of the body as long as the tumor is of a certain size.
Pancreas, lung, we have a lot of patients in a brain case, lung case, even liver case, prostate, or GYN case, any place, but it has to be small tumor, less than, we call 5 centimeter size, not bigger than 5 centimeter.
The radiation is generated by a particle accelerator at the end of the arm. The device can automatically adjust the size of the beam using collimators, tubes with different sized openings. Surgery or chemotherapy is still necessary in some cases, but Dr. Lee says when it's called for, the CyberKnife can be very successful.
Let me tell you, I've seen a follow-up about several patients. A couple weeks after finished treatment, PS is coming down, very little side effect or no side effect. Patient-wise, very happy or satisfied. So I can see what 2 weeks after finished completion of CyberKnife treatment.
A recently released study found that 97% of low-risk patients and nearly 91% of intermediate-risk patients were cancer-free 5 to 6 years after their treatment with the CyberKnife. For Smart Medicine, I'm Doug Johnson.